So it's been a bumpy night so far with the weather, and we may not be done. If you missed the top of the show in our conversation with Scott Padgett, good thing, you're just in time. Now we get the update on the rest of the night. What do you see?
Hey there, Doug. Still seeing a lot of rain in downtown Dallas. A welcome sight tonight. We saw enough energy with those storms out of Oklahoma and an outflow boundary to get the storms going here in North Texas. You see the lightning there on the Dallas Skycam. There is nothing severe right now in North Texas, but we are still seeing some winds gusting up to near maybe 40 miles per hour. So here we are looking at the Metroplex. Some of the heaviest rain near downtown Dallas and parts of Dallas County. You're able to see there in Denton County also some lightning strikes showing up as we go ahead and move the radar up just a little bit. We'll go ahead and zoom our way down to parts of Dallas County where we do have some of the heaviest rain that is moving through. So some ponding of the water on the roadways possible. Balk Springs stretching down to DeSoto to Wilma right along 45 and where 20 meets. Some heavy rain holding on. Let's go ahead and widen out the view, put this back into motion over the last hour. You can see that the line is making its way down to the south, continuing to break up, but pockets of heavy rain still holding together. So I've tracked that leading edge for you as it's moving to the southeast near about 40 miles per hour. It's going to be Waxahachie around 10:28, Meridian right around about 10:47, the Whitney area at 11:02, Gun Barrel City about 11:04 if it holds together. And it does look like it will be holding together going into the evening hours. So here's the future sky forecast. There's another complex of storms out to the west that looks like it's going to be making its way into North Texas overnight. And as that moves in, should weaken. We do have a little bit more stable air behind this line that's set up, but still some much needed rain and now making its way into the North Texas area into the overnight hours. So with that in mind, we've already seen some rain in some spots. We've picked up as much as 2 inches to almost 3 inches of rain in some localized areas. That's great because we've seen drought return to North Texas. So here now are my updated precipitation chances overnight into the early morning hours. Still going 70% all the way through 11 o'clock. By about midnight, 60%, then tapering off to about 20% between 5 to 6 in the morning. And then because we've seen the rain overnight, still have the chance maybe of some rain in the forecast tomorrow, but not more widespread rain on the way. Look at the wind gusts, gusting up to near 40 miles per hour to 43 at DFW through the night tonight. And as you take a look at the peak wind gusts today, 54 in Fort Worth to 62 in Denton because of that leading edge of storms. So right now you're able to see that we have 68 at DFW with those winds out of the north-northeast now at 31 gusting up to 43. So the rain's here for us, more rain overnight, but then tomorrow about 92 degrees. We start out at 68, back to 94 for Father's Day. Rain chances at 20%, and we're not done yet. We have another trough setting up overhead by next Wednesday, and with that, highs in the upper 80s and more rain back into the forecast between now and then, possibly 1 to 2 inches of rain accumulating across parts of North Texas.